Do you know the differences between remodeling and restoration? Here we give you 4 differences. The first difference is the focus. Restoration focus on repairing and restoring a property that has suffered specific types of damage, whereas remodeling focuses on making intentional changes and improvements to a property. Number 2, the purpose. Restoration aims to return the property to its pre-damaged condition, while remodeling involves creating a new design. Number 3, knowledge. Restoration projects address specific damage and require specialized knowledge and techniques, while remodeling projects are more flexible and can involve a wide range of changes. Fourth and last, planning. Restoration projects are often necessary after unexpected incidents, while remodeling projects are typically planned and initiated by the property owner. At Easy Tarp and Restoration, we understand the urgency of securing your property quickly and safely. Contact us today.